What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Go Getter here with Berserker Camaro. Just got the front splitter installed. I mean, it's not the front splitter that I really wanted, because when I ordered it online, I was thinking that this was going to be the ZL1 chin splitter, or whatever you want to call it, but it isn't. This is the front splitter from Duraflex. It's not the one I wanted, but hey, it's going to have to do for now until I get the ZL1 bumper conversion. And here's the car, what it looks like. I know you guys haven't seen my whole car in a video in a minute, so here it is. Just cleaned her up a little bit. See if I can get these Decepticon emblems on camera. Real nice. Follow the Instagram if you want to see more pics, little race video clips, stuff like that. Got the sequential tail lights. Got the wicker bill from 3DE Engineering. I'll leave a link in the description for them. Which my next video I make is going to be a video where I'm going to be removing this piece, putting on a different one, because the company made me another one. It has these same emblems. It has these same emblems on it and my Instagram name on it. And it's pretty much going to be the Decepticon emblem, Berserker Camaro, and then another Decepticon emblem. But man, Camaro is so sick. And by the way, I'm recording on my brand new Note 9. If you didn't know, now you know. The Note 9 is a pretty decent phone. Great camera, great recorder. But the Berserker has never looked better. So after I get that clear piece for the wicker bill, my next mod are going to be my side skirts, ZL1 side skirts. And then after that, hopefully I'll get the ZL1 rims, and then after that, ZL1 front bumper conversion. Then after that, that hood is coming off. I'm getting the IROC Z, that new IROC Z hood. It's going down, baby. Major mods coming for this thing. Ooh, this thing looks so aggressive, but I gotta get rid of these wheels. Get the ZL1 wheels. Alright guys, so I'm about to end the video. If you like what you saw, please give me a like, subscribe, comments, any feedback, good feedback, bad feedback. All feedback is good feedback. Holla at your boy.